Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ida. This is or was supposed to be, but kind of still is, a September plan with me video. It starts off as usual, with one exception, that I'm actually being consistent and just using one accent color, which is blue. And the theme was supposed to be teacups, which it also is. Cute little teacups. And it's a very minimalistic and easy setup, very cute setup. A little too minimalistic and a little too neat to be me. Anyways, I kind of like how it turned out, despite that it's very minimalistic and not completely my style, but it turned out okay-ish. So I'm sorry for being a bit weird. I was supposed to do this before September 1st and post it before September 1st so that it was ready for September. But then you see me do the mood tracker with the teacups, and then all of a sudden the setup just stops and I'm writing a quote, and I'll get back to that in the flip through. I'll explain, not in detail, but so I'm making the weekly for week 37 from Monday 12th to Sunday 18th, and it's a new notebook, so I'm writing my name, and here starts the flip through. Admiring the 3 ribbons. It also came in a very beautiful box from AliExpress, and I love it. It's 180 GSM paper, to those who care about watercolors and stuff like that. So September 2022, teacups was supposed to be the theme, and instead of a quote page on the left, I doodled calendar, and I don't know why I'm pointing there. Then I made a section for this month to write this down, events and stuff like that. And the washi tape is from Kawaii Pen Shop, I think. And the mood tracker with teacups, which will be colored into those colors that are from Zebra Madliner, the brush pen pack, the cool pack that I'm showing it right there. And then the setup just stops and goes from regular setup and just over to a quote that says, "Verily, with every hardship comes ease," and that is from the translation from Al-Quran. And added some washi tape for decoration. And here's the weekly that starts from Monday 12th to Sunday 18th. And I wrote a lot in Arabic and a little reminder for myself. And doodled a little heart around. So it's a very minimalistic and easy, setup. And I also made a I'm grateful for page, so that I can focus on the things that I am grateful for. It's important to focus on being grateful. That's important. So I promise that October will be way better than this, and will be out before October 1st, God willing, inshallah. Just admiring my new notebook. Thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. The new subscribers, thank you. Hope you stick around. Take care. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.